Good morning, and I don't know why I'm sitting here because it is so bright. The sun is bright this morning. It is Monday morning, and it's just after 7 o'clock. We're about to head out, go to town. Going back to the hospital to see if I can get my stitches out, and hopefully get some good news. We took the bandage off yesterday to clean and all that, and didn't look as good as it has been, so kind of worried about that. But we're positive that we're going to get some good news, maybe new directions if it's not healing like it's supposed to or whatever. I don't know. And my ankle is still swollen, and it's just, I don't know. I guess it's going to be longer haul than I thought it was going to be. Anyway, I think I'm going to pick my tomato today. I just don't want anything to get to it before I get to it. So I think it's good to go. So let's go look at it. Let's go pick a tomato. One little tomato. All right. I'm afraid to leave it any longer just because, yeah, it's got a little splitting a little bit. Anyway, my first tomato harvest of the summer. All right. These are still doing good. This one here. This one here. See how these two are doing. See, it's a little split. All right. Yay. Nothing like smelling a homegrown tomato. No, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna cut it in half. Debra can have a bite, and I can have a bite, and it'll be gone. I heard it's your birthday. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, that's true.
Good morning.
Good morning. You ready to go to the hospital on your birthday?
I am, and we're going to get good news on my birthday.
Yeah. All right, let's do it. Do it in between the songs. So we're at the hospital, emergency room. We're checked in, now we're just waiting to go back. Cloud 9. Oh. They play the music really loud here.
Yeah, let's go to the hospital and have a concert.
Yeah, it's really loud. I'm just going to catch this because she's in a tickly.
I just made a bad joke, and y'all don't get to hear it.
That wasn't bad.
But yeah, it's funny.
Yeah, so anyway.
I can't believe you started.
Of course, I don't want to miss the giggles.
Okay, I'm good now.
So the doctor just left, and he says it's looking good, and it is looking better than it was last night. The bandages came off. There was no, it's like the blood pressure cuffs going off over here. I first got in here, and she took my pulse. She was like, "Is your pulse normally this low?" And I was like,
No.
"Is it low?"
When it comes to medical stuff, her pulse is not normally low.
I know. I was like, anyway, so she put the little thing back on my finger, and
The other hand.
yeah, and it was fine. Anyway, the doctor came in. He says it looks good. I think it looks a lot better than yesterday. But he
Definitely.
is not going to take the stitches out today. He's going to want it to go another 3 days. Plus, he's going to give me 3 more days of antibiotics because it is a little red. It doesn't have any heat, so they don't think it's infected or anything. Just
All right, so you were about to tell me he was going to look at the x-rays for your ankle.
Yes.
Your ankle's been so
so they
sore.
did do X-ray of the ankle, and he did look at it, and it's fine. Which I figured it was since I was able to walk on it, but. She's gonna wrap it back up, and it's 8:30. You know
We're
what?
still not gonna get buffet at La Fonda.
Because they don't open until 11:30, right?
11, I think.
Yeah, so
Well, you hang out in town for a couple of hours if you want.
anyway. No.
No, you're
Did
not.
I say I'm getting the antibiotic for 3 more days and stitches 3 more days? So we'll be back on Thursday. So that's the update at the hospital. Now we get to go do her birthday. So we are waiting for my prescription. They said it'd take about 15 minutes or so. So Deborah's looking for us a place to eat for breakfast.
Because
It's going to be 9 o'clock when we're done.
so Janice still doesn't get La Fonda buffet today.
Oh, I think I just got a notice my prescription was ready.
How nice is that?
How weird.
You don't get, she doesn't get her La Fonda buffet today because they don't open till 11. And he
Did we verify that?
I will verify it for you.
I didn't look. Because, every time I look, it's a different time. It's a different day. So they may not even be open on Mondays. Who knows? No, I think they are. But anyway, we're looking for...
Opens at 11 a.m. Sorry.
So, unless we wait. But I don't think we're going to wait. So we're looking for something to eat. And I guess I'll go see if my prescription's ready. Okay, we finally found it. It's not in an alley. It's not through the walkway. It's on Main Street. And I don't know the name of the restaurant, but it's Mexican food, so that's where we're headed. Do you remember the name of the restaurant?
I think it's El Dorado.
El Dorado. Where that wood is.
It took us 20 minutes.
Driving around the same blocks. It's on Main Street.
We're going to breakfast, y'all.
Yeah.
Not,
Let's eat.
but she still doesn't get La Fondas today.
Nope. Next time, I'm just going to make a plan. A La Fonda Day plan. All right, let's go eat. It's a cute place. They just opened, so we're the only ones here. So I got bean tostadas, 2 beans, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and avocados. And yes, I got choked on the green sauce. What'd you get? Birthday girl.
Birthday girl. Three enchiladas.
They're stacked?
Huh?
Are they stacked?
I don't know what that means.
I think they're stacked.
Okay.
Meaning they're not rolled.
Oh, I don't know. I've never
Yeah.
heard that or seen that.
My mom used to get stacked with an egg on top.
Well, I guess it is.
Yes.
I have never noticed that or seen that before. With an egg on top, obviously, double order of beans, no rice. I know.
Lettuce and tomatoes.
I ordered a side of lettuce and tomato and an extra couple of tortillas, and they are homemade.
Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
Yum. So, thanks to Mike and Cindy, or Mike of Mike and Cindy, he suggested I put my leg in a laundry basket because today and from here on out, I'm supposed to leave my bandage off. And I am just so scared of this little boy and that little girl running and jumping and hitting my leg. So Mike suggested putting it in a laundry basket. And I was like, that's clever.
Yeah, be sure and let them know it's been sterilized.
Oh, yeah, it has been sterilized. My pillow isn't, but the laundry basket is. So today being Debra's birthday and her working tomorrow, we couldn't really go camping. And there's fire restrictions, so we can't really have fires. So I thought, the next best thing. So this is a little electric s'mores maker. So we're going to see how well this works. So we're going to have an indoor campfire and we're going to have s'mores instead of a birthday cake. No candles, just marshmallows. So these are plain marshmallows and these actually have the chocolate inside of them, which I don't know that I've tried that. So I thought I'd at least see how it worked. We're going to have to be careful not to burn the marshmallows like I like them because we don't want it to drop down in there. But, I don't even know how this thing works. I just thought it was a fun idea. So, Deborah's been asking me where I got the spatula she's been using this week. She keeps asking me. And I was like, oh, I don't know. I'll figure it out. So, anyway, so I got a folding spatula and a folding spoon. And we're going to have s'mores.
I cannot believe you did this for me. So you
Don't
guys,
look at that desk
yeah,
over
y'all
there.
don't
Everything
look at the
is...
desk or that. All of this stuff is piled up
Yes.
because she's letting me store stuff in her casita while mine's getting the work finished. And so by next week, her casita should be in order. So don't judge her, judge me. But so I just want to share that I had my first s'mores in my entire life out here on the road, and then Jana and I had s'mores at Karchner Caverns when we stayed there, and that's the only 2 times I've had s'mores in my life. So today, Jana told me for my birthday she was going to take me camping, but since I have to work tomorrow and the next day I can't go camping, so she brought the camping to me, and she got me a s'mores machine.
Yeah.
Look at this, you guys. Look at this.
I turned it on so it's heating up.
Yeah. But not only that, I didn't even see these. She has this, and I've been threatening to put it in my pocket because I love it so much. And she got me the spoon too. I'm just like, oh my gosh, I now have my own. I just love it. So this is the best. Can they get it on Amazon through your store? So y'all go check out her store because this really is the best. And we're gonna have s'mores now for my birthday.
Yeah, we are. It's turning red. So the only thing I said earlier was you probably can't burn them. Like, I like mine burnt
Yeah.
because it'll drop down in there. We'll just have to be careful not to burn the marshmallows. But it comes with this
Look at
cute
that.
little stick.
Look at that.
And these have chocolate already in them. These are plain, so I don't know how you want them. It's roasting. I'm roasting a marshmallow indoors. I'm like, that one's plain.
Okay. And you're doing a chocolate one?
Yeah. I was thinking the chocolate ones were.
It's browning.
Yeah, the chocolate one was after the fact. And I thought, well, I'll get both. If you just want roasted marshmallows, then you can have marshmallows and not.
And remind me again how you make them. You put the marshmallow on here. Oh,
I know.
we have a bug thing in here, but it had, that fly hadn't found it yet. Get out of here. Shoot, we're camping.
What do you get when you're camping?
You
Flies.
get flies and bugs and skeeters. We do have a bug light in here, though. It just hadn't found it yet. So to make them, you grill it.
Put your chocolate on your graham cracker.
Uh-huh.
So when you put your marshmallow on top of the chocolate, it'll melt it. And go away, fly.
I know, I'm sorry.
How cool is this?
Oh my gosh.
It's fun.
You always get me eating the messy stuff.
Yeah, of course. Mmm.
Mmm. More.
More s'mores, please. And I did the chocolate already in the marshmallow. Which I think is probably the way to go because the chocolate's all melty.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if y'all buy one of these, don't put the chocolate up against the burner. Now we've got chocolate on there. Oh well.
Oh,
Yeah, maybe the tray should be pulled out some.
I'm
But
thinking.
right now they're connected. She's taking them all. Is that what you're eating for your snack today?
Well, I'm trying
Your
to
birthday?
trying to save them.
Yeah.